Dino, back on site, mate. I can see that you're working on the floor structure here. I know there's been a bit of a timber shortage. Can you explain it to the crew?
Yeah, definitely. So obviously Australia's got a pretty big timber shortage at the moment. A lot of sort of contributing factors. LVLs is definitely the hardest thing to get at the moment. So we ordered these LVLs probably 4 months ago. Usually you can sort of get them on site within a month and a half.
Wow, 4 to 6 months.
Yeah, so obviously when you're sort of doing big jobs, you usually shop around for a really good price and all your materials. But at the end of the day, if you have a good relationship with One Hardware, like for us, we use Mitre 10 a lot, and we also do use Jiangong Hardware. You form relationships with your suppliers, and then yeah, tough times when you've got a timber shortage, they'll help you out. So yeah,
Mate, what if you can't get 170 section size, say 170 by 50 timber, and you can get 200? What do you do? Can you cut it down?
So you can, if you've got enough room in your floor system, you can always use bigger. A big thing is that when if you need 150s and you can only get 300s, you definitely can't just rip them down. It's not just as simple as that.
It's not engineered design, is it?
Yeah, those beams are engineered to be how they come. So yeah, without getting something re-engineered, yeah, you can't just
You're in trouble.
rip LVLs down from their original state.
Perfect. Thanks, Dino.
All right.